Good morning class 2 students. I welcome you back again. The next portion of treatment of goodwill. Here we are left with the two cases. हमारे दो cases बचे हैं. The first one is when the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. The first one, and second one is hidden goodwill, where the goodwill is not given at all. So we are doing these two cases in this video. The first you understand that. Now when a partner admit into the business, he need to bring certain amount of capital. Does you know that? And second thing, he need to bring the goodwill which he has to given to the old partner, or we say sacrificing partner. Why? Because that partner they are sacrificing. वो पार्टनर अपना शेयर सेक्रीफाइस करे किसके लिए? फॉर द न्यू पार्टनर. तो द न्यू पार्टनर हैज टू ब्रिंग सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल टू कंपनसेट देम. नाउ इन दिस केस when the new partner comes and he cannot bring the full amount of goodwill, suppose he has to bring the agreed term says that he has to bring 60,000 goodwill, but he brings only 40,000 in cash. Now partner बाकी partner छोड़ देंगे उसको. जैसे भाई you promise us as per deed, as per our agreement, you need to bring 60,000 as a share of capital, or sorry 60,000 as a share of goodwill apart from your capital. But you are paying only 40,000. It means you have to pay 20,000 more. That 20,000 the partner will pay through his current account. So what will do? When the partner cannot bring his share of goodwill, if he cannot bring, first cases when the partner cannot bring his share of goodwill in cash, his share of goodwill in cash. Now, in this term, he has to pay through his current account or through his capital account. Whatever the questions says about it, questions ask about that. When the partner does not bring any amount of goodwill in cash, जब कोई partner अपना share of goodwill cash में नहीं लाता, whenever new partner brings the goodwill share of goodwill in cash, we call it premium for goodwill. हम क्या बोलते हैं इसको? प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल. बट इन दिस केस वी आर स्टडीइंग अबाउट जब पार्टनर अपनी गुडविल को कैश में नहीं ला पाता, और द सेकंड थिंग इज व्हेन ही ब्रिंग्स सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल इन कैश बट नॉट द फुल वन. सपोज ही हैज टू ब्रिंग 60 बट ही इज ब्रिंगिंग ओनली 40. Now in that case what will the entry, how the treatment take place? Now listen carefully. Means suppose there are two partners, the three partners are there, okay, this A and this is B. The new partner want to enter the business. Now these partners are sacrificing in the ratio of 2:1. They are sacrificing in the ratio of 2:1. C says, I will bring 1 lakh as a capital. I will bring 1 lakh as a capital. मैं 1 लाख रुपए कैपिटल लेके आऊंगा. Plus I will pay 60,000 as a share of goodwill. मैं 60,000 शेयर गुडविल का पे करूंगा. बट अनेबल ड्यू टू एनी रीजन ही कैन नॉट ब्रिंग दिस अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल इन कैश. देन द अदर पार्टनर सेज, वो मान जाएंगे कि भाई ठीक है आप गुडविल मत पे करो. ये पॉसिबल है? नो. इन बिजनेस जैसे भाई यू प्रॉमिस अस टू पे 60,000 शेयर ऑफ गुडविल बिकॉज वी आर कंपनसेटिंग, बिकॉज वी आर पेइंग यू, वी आर सैक्रिफाइसिंग आवर शेयर. हम अपने शेयर्स को सैक्रिफाइस करें बिकॉज ऑफ यू, तो you have to pay 60,000 as a goodwill. तो in this case he has to bring through his current account. उसको लाना पड़ेगा through his current account or capital account. You understand the term? So this term is called means when the partner unable to bring any amount of goodwill in cash, then in this case he has to bring this amount of goodwill through his capital account or through his current account. I hope I'm clear. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है? When the new partner doesn't bring any amount of goodwill in cash or when he cannot bring the full amount of goodwill in cash, तो जो भी इसका बैलेंस होगा वो उसको लाना पड़ेगा through his capital account. So what will be the ante in this case? The ante will be, no, then we cannot write PM for goodwill because he is not bringing. So we pass the ante through C's current account debit to A's capital account or B's capital account. Now this amount of goodwill he has to bring through his current account. This is that means because we cannot write PM for goodwill because he is not bringing the goodwill in cash. So we has to pass because he has to bring through his current account. So we need to pass the entry C's current account debit or C capital account debit to sacrificing partners. Is it clear now? Now, understand term with the help of a question. Note down a question. We are solving the question, we are solving this case when the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash, or when it brings half of the goodwill in cash, what will do? The question is, note down please. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Okay. The question says that, should I rub this? We get a space over here. So note down the question properly. A and B are partners. There are two partners, A and B. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Note down the question carefully. Okay, they admit C into the partnership. C admitted for 1/4 share. C admitted for 1/4 share. Now in this case, which he take 1/6 from A. Now this is saying here which he takes 1/6 from A and 1/12 from B. Now listen term, because this is a contribution method, simply given how much A is sacrificing. A say A is giving 1/6 and B is giving 1/12. This is not saying, understand term, when we do change in profit share ratio, जब मैंने आपको change in profit share ratio पढ़ाया था, तो understand term, what do you say? A is giving 1/6, B is giving 1/12. So means C is receiving 1/6 from A and 1/12 from B. Now the question is, goodwill appear in the books. Goodwill appear in the books. Goodwill appears in the books. Now listen term. Goodwill already appear in the book is 20,000. Goodwill already appear in the books 20,000. Now what we do in this case? Whenever goodwill already appear in the books, we write off. Because as per accounting standard 26 says that whenever goodwill appear in the books, we need to write off. Okay? Because that goodwill belongs to A and B, and the self-generated goodwill cannot be shown in the books. I told you in my last lecture. In the first one, the self-generated goodwill cannot be shown in the books. Why? Because the goodwill can be shown in the books which is purchased. आपने 1 lakh की asset 1,20,000 की purchase की है, that can be shown. But the goodwill which is created by a hard work, it cannot be shown in the books. It means self-generated goodwill को books में जगह नहीं मिलती as per accounting standard 26. The goodwill which can be shown in the books which is you purchase, जिसको आपने पेमेंट की हो, जिसको आपने परचेज किया मार्केट से. Is it clear now? तो goodwill appear in the books is rupees 20,000. Now important part, C brings rupees 80,000 as goodwill, rupees 18,000 as goodwill in cash out of his share of rupees 30,000. Now important part, this one is important one. Okay, now pass journal entry, pass necessary journal entries. Now listen to term carefully. What do they say? Now C need to bring how much? C need to bring 30,000, but how much he is bringing? He is bringing only 18,000 in cash. I hope I'm clear. C को कितनी goodwill लानी थी? C need to bring 30,000, 30, but he is bringing only 18,000. Now कितने का shortcoming है? 12,000 का. A B मान जाएंगे भाई कि you pay only 18,000. No, perfect. Because what did they say? भाई आपने promise किया था you have to pay 30,000 rupees, but how can you pay 18,000? So it means 12,000 C को और लाना पड़ेगा through his capital account or current account. I hope the question is clear. Now we do. Note down the question carefully. The question says that A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. C admitted for 1/4 share, which he took 1/6 from A and 1 by 12 from B. Okay. Goodwill appears in the book is rupees 20,000. C brings rupees 18,000 as goodwill in cash, out of his share rupees 30,000. You need to pass journal entries. Now, how we say that? The first, you need to find out how much A sacrifices, how much B sacrifices. We have done before. The sacrifice ratio of A and B. Important one. First, find out how much A sacrifices, how much B sacrifices. Okay? So, they say that A sacrifices 1/6 or B sacrifices 1/12. It's mentioned there A sacrifices 1/6 official, B sacrifices 1 by 12. If you make denominator equal, it means it's 2 by 12 and 1 by 12. It means their sacrifice ratio is 2:1. I hope I'm clear. They say C is getting 1/6 from A and C is getting 1 by 12 from B. So in order to make, I hope this is clear. So their sacrifice ratio is 2:1. Now, what is the first entry? It is goodwill appear in the books. Whenever goodwill appear in the books, what do we do? Whenever goodwill appear in the books, we need to write off. So what is the entry of write off? Because we are taking out the goodwill from the books. हम goodwill को हटा रहे हैं बुक से, तो we are decreasing our asset. तो in order to make the balance sheet equal, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें liability side में से कैपिटल कम करनी पड़ेगी. Now that goodwill belongs to whom? ये goodwill किसकी है? ओल्ड पार्टनर्स की. तो भाई ओल्ड पार्टनर्स बोले आपने गुडविल ले ली है, जो आपने कैपिटल बढ़ा रखी है उसको कम कर दी है, भैया आपकी गुडविल बिजनेस में शो नहीं हो सकती. तो व्हाट विल द एंट्री टेक प्लेस हियर? इफ यू पास द एंट्री, राइट date at time of admission of partner. When the partner admitted, we write date over here. So what is the particular thing? Date, particular. We write mention here LF, ledger folio, debit and credit. So what is the first entry? Goodwill write off. We need to write off the goodwill. So entry will be A's capital account debit. Okay, B's capital account debit. To goodwill account. First entry is we are writing off the goodwill. So we write goodwill account. Now, past entry. What is the goodwill appear in the books? Goodwill appear in the books is 20,000. Need to write off between A and B. हमें goodwill write off करनी है. और अभी C तो आया नहीं है. ये बात चल रही है C के एडमिशन के टाइम पे. अभी C नहीं है, तो रेशियो कौन सा बचा पे? ओल्ड रेशियो बचा. तो goodwill need to be write off in old ratio. So what is the old ratio? The old goodwill should be write off in the ratio of 3:2. It means 12,000 by A and 8,000 by B. So what is being goodwill write off? Narration will be being the existing goodwill write off in old ratio. Existing goodwill write off in old ratio. Written off in old ratio. I hope the first entry is clear. Okay, perfect. Next entry is find out. They say that C is coming the business and he brings C is coming the business and C being 18,000 for goodwill. C is bringing only 18,000 for goodwill. So buddy, nothing is mentioned about the capital over here. तो हम capital को भी ignore करेंगे क्योंकि capital given ही कितनी capital है. They are saying about the goodwill only. The first entry will be how much cash firm gets. We write cash account debit to premium for goodwill because वो कुछ अमाउंट प्रीमियम का कैश में लाया है to premium for goodwill account. How much he need to bring? 30,000. He need to bring 30,000 as goodwill, but he is bringing only 12,000. तो फर्म के पास कितना कैश आ रहा है? Find out how much firm is getting a cash. He needs to he is bringing 18,000 out of his share 13,000. तो फर्म के पास कितना कैश आ रहा है? 18,000 to PM for goodwill. Being new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash. Now not fully. It's not fully. Being the amount brought by C towards the PM for goodwill. Simply write being amount brought by C as a PM for goodwill. तो C कितनी अमाउंट लाया गुडविल के लिए 18,000, जबकि इसको लाना कितना है 30,000. Is that clear? Now move to next part. Third and most important entry. So should I rub this? This is the third entry. The third entry will be, this one is second entry. Third entry is, by partners, old partners say you have to bring 30,000. हमें 30,000 से मतलब है, if you are bringing 18,000, you have to bring 12,000 more. आज नहीं तो कल आपको लाना पड़ेगा. But we have to make an adjustment regarding the same thing. हमें पहले प्रूफ चाहिए, हमें एक एडजस्टमेंट बनानी पड़ेगी. तो in that case, the new partner, those who coming, the balance he need to bring, but he not bringing right now. So we can deduct from his current account. We can take from his current account. So what will the entry of take place? We write here. What is that symbol? So premium for goodwill account debit. Premium for goodwill account debit. PM for goodwill account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Now listen this term very carefully. He is bringing only 18,000 in cash. He is bringing only 18,000. कितना कैश आ रहा है? Only 18,000. Is it clear? Now, but the old partner say we need 30,000. हमें तो 30,000 चाहिए. तो balance he need to bring. So he need to bring to his current account. We write C's current account debit. Or we can also write C's capital account debit. But normally we write the current account because he need to bring extra amount. उसको extra amount लाना है. तो किसके थ्रू लाएगा? Current account through how much? 12,000. Why? 30,000 minus 18,000. He promised to the firm he will bring 30,000, but he is bringing only 18,000. So he need to bring extra 12,000 from his current account. Then divide this 30,000 in the sacrificing ratio. And what is the sacrifice ratio? And we just find out is 2:1. We need the sacrifice ratio 2:1. That means 20,000 to A because A is sacrificing more, and 10,000 to B. So we will write the narration over here. Narration will be being the goodwill credited to sacrificing partner in sacrifice ratio, being goodwill credited to sacrificing partner in sacrificing ratio. Now this will take place. I hope the question is clear. The important part here is C promised to the firm he will bring 30,000 rupees. But actually he is bringing in cash only 18,000. तो जो portion cash में लाया, we call it premium for goodwill. And the amount which cannot bring in cash, we can cut through his, he need to bring through his current account. I hope I'm clear. So this is the first case when the partner is not bringing the full amount of goodwill in cash. Next we write one more question over here. To practice, question says that X and Y are partners. So I need to rub this first. Note down the question then. Now note down the next question of the same treatment. X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They agreed to admit Jet as a partner for 1/5 share. Jet acquires his share. Now check out. Jet acquires his share from X and Y in the ratio of 2:3. From X and Y in the ratio of 2:3. Now important part. They say Jet acquires his share in the ratio of 2:3. Now question says that goodwill of the firm valued at, old goodwill is given the book, goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 50,000. Means that this 50,000 is already given the books. 50,000 Jet brings only 60%. Jet being only 60% of his share of goodwill, of his share of goodwill, and rupees 2 lakh as his capital, and rupees 2 lakh as his capital, okay, through check. Now change the question here. It's not bringing cash, it's bringing through check. Okay, now understand that. It say that Jet brings only 60% of his share of goodwill. Jet is bringing only 60% of his share of goodwill, and he is bringing 2 lakh as his capital through check, and the goodwill of the firm is valued at time of C admission is valued at 50,000. Now we need to find out first thing, what is the Jet share of goodwill? Jet को लाना कितना था goodwill cash में? I hope it's clear. The total firm goodwill is 50,000. उसका share निकालेंगे. तो whenever you do treatment of goodwill question, important part is what is the sacrificing ratio? You need to find out. कहीं कोई partner gain तो नहीं कर रहा है? If any partner gain, he need to pay. हमने last video में question practice किया था. If any partner gains, he need to pay. उसको भी pay करना पड़ता है. So in this question, first find out how much the new partner is bringing. Next thing is what is the sacrifice ratio, and if the goodwill is appear in the books, it need to be written off. And the most important part is how much Jet need to bring. In this question, he is bringing only 60% of his goodwill in cash. Means rest 40% we need to find through current account. Is it clear? Means firm छोड़ेगी तो नहीं. X Y भाई बोलेंगे भाई you are bringing only 60% of goodwill in cash, but we want full. हमें तो पूरा चाहिए जो आपने promise किया था. Clear question? Now how will solve it? I hope you all can solve it. Perfect. Now find out. Okay, in this question this is there. Check question. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 50,000. If any old goodwill is given the question, X and Y partners sharing profit loss in the ratio 3:2. They agreed to admit Jet as a partner for 1/5 share. Jet acquires share from X and Y in the ratio 2:3. Goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 50,000. Okay, पूरे firm की goodwill valued at 50,000. Jet brings only 60% share of goodwill in cash, and rupees is bringing 2 lakh as his capital through check. Okay, means no goodwill is given up in the books. पुरानी books में कोई goodwill given नहीं है. तो what we going to do? हमें इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. If goodwill up in the books, अगर goodwill पहले कोई given होती old books में, we call it existing books. We need to write off. Perfect. Now how will pass the journal entry? Again, make the format of journal entry first. There may be 3 journal entries. Okay, the first thing is find out the total firm goodwill is. First, we do the certain working note part. Now, इसको आप only भी कर सकते हो, but first you understand that the firm goodwill is rupees 50,000. Is that clear? And the new partner share is 1/5. Jet share is 1/5. So what is the 1/5 of 50,000? The 1/5 of 50,000 is 10,000. It means he need to bring 10,000 as a share of goodwill. ये Jet को goodwill लाना चाहिए था, but he is bringing how much? 60%. It means he is bringing only 60% cash. That means Jet brings 6,000 in cash. 10,000 का 60%. Now not many students sell. So how can you find 10,000 का 60%? Total here you need to bring 10,000 rupees, but he is bringing 60,000 cash. It means 6,000. The 4,000 will be deducted from his current account. I hope I am clear. Now you can solve the question. Okay. Now find out first thing is first entry. I hope the working out is clear. Next is you need to pass the entries first. We write debit and credit. Here we write the date. Here we write the particulars. First entry, how much Jet new partner brings. He is bringing not in cash, he is bringing in terms of check. So we write bank over here because it's clearly mentioned in the question. He is paying through check. So we write bank account debit. The first entry is bank account debit to Jet's capital account to premium for goodwill. For goodwill account. Okay, so what is the first entry? Bank account debit to Jet's capital account to premium. Total he is bringing 2 lakhs capital. He is bringing 2 lakhs capital. कितना ला रहा है वो? He is bringing 2 lakh as his capital and 6,000 as his share of goodwill. I hope I'm clear. ये समझ में आ गया? कैसे है? It's clearly mentioned bringing 2 lakh as his share of capital and 6,000. He need to bring 10,000. अभी निकाला हमने. So total he is bringing 2 lakh 6,000. Okay. Being, write the narration over here. Narration says that being the amount brought by Jet as goodwill and his capital. Being goodwill and capital brought by Jet. Okay. Now next entry is, what do? We divide this premium. We write premium account debit. Okay, Jet's current account debit. We write premium account debit. Jet's current account debit. We can also write capital account also. But generally he paid through current account to X capital account to Y's capital account. Now total premium he is bringing 6,000. लेकिन लाना कितना चाहिए था इसको? Jet, how much Jet need to bring? 10,000. It means 4,000 he is paid through his current account. Total is 10,000 will be compensated to X and Y. Now what is the sacrifice ratio? Is given the question. The sacrifice ratio says that 2:3 is given the question. Okay, because Jet acquire his share from X and Y in the ratio 2:3. It means divide this 10,000 in the ratio 2:3. So 10,000 will be divided 4,000 and 6,000. When you divide 10,000 in 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. This 2 by 5 is sacrificed by A, 3 by 5 sacrificed by X and Y. 2 by 5 sacrificed by X and 3 by 5 sacrificed by Y. It means this 10,000 will be divided between X and Y in their sacrificing ratio. Okay? Being, the narration is same. Being the share of Jet goodwill is credited to X and Y in their sacrificing ratio. Being the share of Jet goodwill is sacrifices by is transferred to X and Y capital account in their sacrificing ratio. Is it clear? I hope the question is clear. Okay, that's how we do the question when the new partner cannot bring the full amount of goodwill in cash. जब नया पार्टनर अपनी गुडविल को पूरा कैश में नहीं ला पाता तो जो बैलेंस अमाउंट होता है वी कैन कट थ्रू हिज कैपिटल अकाउंट. I hope this question is clear. Next, note on the question in which the new partner does not bring any single amount of goodwill in cash. When the new partner does not bring any single amount of goodwill in cash. Okay, you can write down heading in that. When the new partner does not bring any single amount of goodwill in cash. I'm not talking about capital. जब नया पार्टनर अपनी गुडविल का एक भी पैसा लेके नहीं आया, कैश में कुछ लेके नहीं आया, तो whatever the goodwill is here, we can cut through his current account. In this case, the PM for goodwill word is not written because he is not bringing the single amount of goodwill in cash. So note down the question then in that category. Note down. The question says that A and B who share profit in the ratio 3:2. Note down the question fast. I'm writing the question in a short frame. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. Note down the question. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. They had a capital of rupees. They had a capital of rupees 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000 respectively. It's 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh 50,000 respectively. Next question says that they agreed to admit C. They agreed to admit C. So means C is admitted. Okay, C is admitted on 1st April 2019. On 1st April 2019 on the following terms. On the following terms. And he will get 1/3 share in profit. He will get 1/3 share in profit. It means that he will get 1/3 share in the profits. Okay. Condition says that C brings 2 lakh as his capital. Question says C brings 2 lakh as his share of capital. And next thing there, C unable to bring. C unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash. And the next question is that goodwill of the firm is rupees. The total firm goodwill is given the question is 1,50,000. I hope the question is clear. In this question, the new partner does not bring any single amount of goodwill in cash. To understand the question first, A and B are partners, share profits in the ratio of 3:2, had capital rupees 2 lakh and 1,50,000 respectively. They agreed to admit C into the partnership from 1st April 2019 on the following terms. C gets 1/3 share in profits. Okay. Now, what is the find out? Again, I told you it's a simple question. Nothing is mentioned about from where C gets his share. इस क्वेश्चन में गिवन नहीं है कि C को उसको 1/3 शेयर कहाँ से मिल रहा है. तो दिस इज सिंपल केस. इन सिंपल केस आई टोल्ड यू वट एवर द ओल्ड रेशियो इज द सेरीफाई रेशियो. हमने चेंज इन प्रॉफिट रेशियो में पढ़ा है. वट एवर द ओल्ड रेशियो इज द सेरीफाई रेशियो. बिकॉज नथिंग इज मेंशन हियर कि C गेट्स 1/3 फ्रॉम होम. ये मेंशन नहीं है कि C को 1/3 कहाँ से मिल रहा है. तो आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर ऑल्सो कि वट एवर द सिंपल मेथड, जब ये मेंशन नहीं होता कि from where C is gaining or who is sorry, it means who is sacrificing. So in that case we find that the old partner will sacrifice in their old ratio. I hope I'm clear. Now the question is clear. In this category C is unable to bring any amount of goodwill in cash. How we pass the entry? Should I rub this? I hope you note down the question. Okay, now you need to pass the journal entries. Then the question says that again debit and credit. Here we write date. We make a column of ledger for you also. LF. Date is given the question on 1st April 2019 when the new partner admitted. We write particular over here. So what is the first city? How much the new partner brings as his capital? How much new partner कितनी capital आ रहा है? तो ये write simply bank or cash account debit to C's capital account. Bank account debit to C's capital account. Now here he is bringing 2 lakh as a share of capital. Okay. Now next portion is we have to divide C's capital account. Now the goodwill, the partner, old partner will say, we need goodwill भाई, हमें तो goodwill चाहिए. If C does not bring any single amount of goodwill in cash, उसको लाना पड़ेगा. Now where he brings that amount of goodwill? Through his current account. Perfect. Now कितनी लाएगा? Find out what is the total firm goodwill. Now working note here. First we need to find out. You forget that. Total firm goodwill is 1,50,000. What is the new partner share in that? New partner shares 1/3 is mentioned in the question. तो he need to bring 50,000 as a share of goodwill which he unable to bring, जो ये लेके नहीं आया, which he unable to bring. How can you find it? The total firm goodwill is given question at a time of C admission is 1,50,000. What is the C share? What is the C share in that? Is 1/3. So what is the 150,000 of 1/3 of 1,50,000 is 50,000. Now it means he need to bring 50,000. So we pass the entry. We write over here C's current account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Okay, the goodwill is 50,000. I told you what is the old issue sacrifice ratio? 30,000 to A and 20,000 to B. Being C share of goodwill is credited to sacrificing partner in their sacrificing ratio. तो इस केस में C को goodwill 50,000 लाना चाहिए था, वो लेके नहीं आया, तो we can cut through his, he need to bring through his current account. तो we write past the entry C's current account debit because he need to bring, उसको लेके आना है. Okay, तो we cut through his current account, हम उसी current account से काट लेंगे, तो his capital will be debited and is credited to A's capital account and B's capital account in their sacrificing ratio. तो this is a question when new partner does not bring, जब नया पार्टनर अपनी गुडविल को कैश में नहीं ला पाता, तो वी कैन कट थ्रू हिज करंट अकाउंट. हम क्या करेंगे, उसको लाना पड़ेगा. वी से भाई यू प्रॉमिस अस टू पे 50,000, हम अपना शेयर सेक्रीफाइस करें बिकॉज ऑफ यू आर कमिंग इन द बिजनेस. जब आप बिजनेस में एंटर कर रहे हो तो हम अपना शेयर लूज कर रहे हैं, उस शेयर की वजह हमें कंपनसेशन चाहिए. Thus compensation is called the PM for goodwill. In this case, he is not bringing the goodwill in cash, so we cannot call PM for goodwill. We can cut through his current account. I hope it's clear. Now next we move through. Next important topic is hidden goodwill. Next we do the concept of hidden goodwill. Now the next question is hidden goodwill. The hidden goodwill is also called inferred goodwill. When the goodwill is not given, but you need to find out when the goodwill छुपी हुई है. Now in that category, you know that when the two partners are there, A and B, and the new partner admitted in the business, ये business में आना चाहता है, तो what we call case, हम क्या बोलते हैं? A B says that we are sacrificing, by then only you can come. We have 100% ratio now. Now if you want to come, if you want 30% in that, so we need to sacrifice, then only you can come. Because of this sacrifice, you have to pay. You have to pay goodwill. Is it clear? अभी तक हमने पढ़ा कि भाई new partners brings goodwill in cash, we call it premium. And suppose he cannot bring, he need to bring through his current account. Now इन दोनों केस में हमें goodwill of the firm given होता था. Is given, goodwill of the firm will be given, then easily find out. If the goodwill of the firm is given, हम ये आराम से निकाल सकते हैं कि भाई new partner is coming for 1/4 share, 1/5 share, 1/3 share, they easily find out from the goodwill of the firm. But now hidden goodwill says that when the goodwill of the firm is not given at all, जब goodwill छुपी हुई है, now कहाँ पर छुपी है? The goodwill छुपी है when पूरे business की network में goodwill छुपी हुई है. So how can you find? So this term is called hidden goodwill. When the goodwill of the firm is not given at all, when no information about the goodwill is given the question, that term is called hidden goodwill. But you understand that when then not many students ask, sir, if the goodwill is not given, we cannot take goodwill. No, not possible out. A and B will say, भाई we are sacrificing, हमें तो goodwill चाहिए, हमें तो कंपनसेशन मिलना चाहिए बिकॉज वी आर सेक्रीफाइसिंग. हमने जो गुडविल कमा रखी है बस सी को बेफालतू में आके उसमें हिस्सा मिल जाएगा. वी नीड अवर, ठीक है, वी नीड अवर कंपनसेशन, वी नीड अवर मनी अपार्ट फ्रॉम कैपिटल, वी नीड अवर कंपनसेशन. So this term is called hidden goodwill. Now how can you find hidden goodwill? Note on the formula. Then we do the practice of the questions. First note on the formula how we calculate hidden goodwill. How we calculate hidden goodwill. तो we write formula है calculation of, write down calculation of hidden goodwill. Calculation of hidden goodwill. Okay. Now note down terms carefully. When the PM for goodwill is not given and also goodwill of the firm is not given. So when we use hidden goodwill, when note down the thing, first thing, when premium for goodwill is not given. When premium for goodwill, when the premium for goodwill is not given. Also, when premium for goodwill is not given, also when the goodwill of the firm, when goodwill of the firm is not given, firm is not given. I hope this is clear. तो हमें hidden goodwill की जरूरत कब पड़ती है? When the goodwill of the firm is not given or when the firm goodwill is not given. In that case, this situation is called hidden goodwill. जब नया पार्टनर कितनी गुडविल लेके आया इसके बारे में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. As well as when the firm goodwill is not given, then also we cannot find the total firm's goodwill. जब ये दोनों चीज हमें given नहीं है, this term is called hidden goodwill. Now how can you find? I hope this thing here. On what cases you need to find the you need to calculate hidden goodwill? When the premium for goodwill is not given or when goodwill of the firm is not given. Now in that category, first thing is step 1. Note down with the help of step 1. First you note down, then we do the questions regarding the same topic. Understand them. First you need to understand. Note down the formula first. Step 1. Total capital is equal to total capital of the firm is equal to total capital of the firm is equal to new partner's capital, new partner capital multiplied by reciprocal of his share. Now what is reciprocal? I will tell you. Reciprocal of his share. Just take a quick example. Suppose new partner capital is 2 lakh and his share in the firm is 1/4. We reciprocal it. We get the whole firm capital. Now suppose if we take the total capital of the firm is X and X ka 1/4 is new partner capital is given 2 lakh. X share is 1/4. X का firm में share कितना है? 1/4 है. तो what will be the X? The total firm capital will take X and X में new partner's share is 1/4 and his capital is given 2 lakh. So what is the firm capital? It's 8 lakh. So what do we do? New partner capital multiply by reciprocal of his share. So we write X is equal to 2 lakh into 4/1. Again same thing. I hope it's clear. This is step 1. Next is step 2 is step 2. Notice step 2 is a new partner capital. Very clearly adjusted old partner capital. Adjusted old partners capital. Now how can you find adjusted old partner capital? We take adjusted old partner capital. How can you find adjusted old partner capital? So we need to find step 2. We need to find adjusted old partner capital. How can you find? So for this thing we need to find old capital plus revaluation profit if any. Revaluation profit if any is given the question. Revaluation profit, add any free reserves like general reserves is given the question. Free reserves minus revaluation profit minus any accumulated losses. I will say old capital plus revaluation profit plus free reserves minus revaluation profit minus revaluation losses here. Losses will be deducted. Minus revaluation losses minus any accumulated losses minus existing goodwill. Now here we get adjusted capital. This thing will provide you adjusted capital, adjusted old partners capital. So what do? Old capital में revaluation profit, if any profit is there, add it. If any undistributed profit like free reserve is given, add it, minus revaluation losses. If any accumulated losses like any fictitious assets is given, need to subtract it, minus existing goodwill. Whatever the goodwill is given in the question is subtracted. This is the first portion. Now, एक और formula है इसका, alternate formula. You choose which one is best. Okay, I hope you note down this thing. This is step 1. Step 2. I hope this thing clear. Note down first thing properly. Okay, next is alternate formulas. We call it alternate one. To find out, you know that alternate. If you're not satisfied with that formula, the alternate formula is, how can you find hidden goodwill? The first is find the net worth. Net worth we also call capital employed. Net worth. It says that total asset is easy. When we solve the question, we find this, sir, हम किस तरह के formula note कर रहे हैं? It looks very difficult. No, not at all. When we solve the question, you will feel that it's damn easy. So we write total assets minus outside liability. Asset minus liability, you get capital. So total asset minus outside liability plus revaluation profit if any. कोई revaluation profit है तो वो add होगा. Add revaluation profit minus revaluation loss. कोई loss है तो minus करना पड़ेगा. Revaluation losses. Similarly, minus accumulated losses if any. Accumulated losses if any. Similarly, if any existing goodwill is there, we need to minus it. Minus existing goodwill plus the new partner capital. Plus new partner capital. तो ये हमें मिल जाएगा net worth of the business. Then the goodwill we find out. Then the goodwill of the firm is total asset minus net worth. Total assets minus net worth. If you subtract total asset minus net worth, you get the goodwill. You will get the goodwill. So how can you find goodwill of the firm? Total asset minus net worth. It means step 1 minus step 2. It means step 1 minus step 2. I hope clear. We write the step 1, step 2 before. So step 1 minus step 2. Okay, so we get the step 3. This is step 3. How we get the goodwill? Total asset minus net worth. Okay, then the new partner capital goodwill is, then the premium step 4 is, means premium for goodwill is, premium for goodwill is equal to, how can you find premium goodwill? Is goodwill of the firm, goodwill of the firm multiplied by new partner share. New partner share. Now this how we find the goodwill. Just note down the formula. We will practice questions regarding the same. Then you are able to understand it. Just note down the formula first. How can you find the goodwill? Note down the step wise. So it becomes easier for you to calculate it. Okay, this is the formula regarding hidden goodwill. The step 4 is premium for goodwill is goodwill of the firm multiplied by new partner share. What is the new partner shares given the question? Okay, we start with the simple question first. Okay. Now we are practicing the question regarding hidden goodwill. The certain questions are there we need to practice to calculate the hidden goodwill. Now first I am taking a simple question. They say that question is H and N are partners. Question is H and N, you take any name, ठीक है, हेमा and Nanda are partners, or maybe ठीक है, Himanshu and Nishant are partners. I'm taking HN are partners, sharing profit in the ratio of sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, the first one is the old ratio is given 3:2. Their capital accounts are, their capitals are 1,60,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively, and rupees 1 lakh respectively. Okay, 1,60,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively. They admitted S as a partner. They admitted S as a partner. They admitted S as a partner on 1st April 2018. On 1st April 2018 for 1/5 share. For 1/5 share. Okay, the new partner share is 1/5. Please remember the same. The new partner share 1/5. Okay, this is X brings 1 lakh rupees, 1,20,000 as his capital. As his capital. The new partner brings 1,20,000 as his capital. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm and pass necessary entry. You need to calculate goodwill of the firm, goodwill of the firm, and pass entries, pass journal entries. Okay, JE means journal entries. I hope clear. So note down question. There are two partners which are given H and N, sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Their capitals is given will be 1,60,000. This is 1,60,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively. They admitted S as a partner on 1st April 2018 for 1/5 share. S brings rupees 1,20,000 as his capital. You need to calculate goodwill. There is no revaluation profit. There is no general reserve. No existing goodwill is given. So simple. You know the formula. If you know the formula, it's become easier. The simple thing is you need to calculate the goodwill of the firm. Should I rub the question? Okay. Now how we solve it? First thing is calculate what is the goodwill total capital of the new firm. First find out total capital of the new firm. Now, if you calculate total capital of the new firm, now let the total capital of the firm is simply let the total capital of the firm is X. Say the total capital of the firm is X. Now, what is the share of? Tell me what is this S share in the firm is? So X is a partner. X share in the firm is 1. What is the X share in the firm is 1/5. And he is bringing 1,20,000 as his capital is given. तो means अगर वो 1,20,000 लाया है, उसका शेयर कितना 1/5. तो it means X का 1/5 कितना है? Share of S. So what is the whole firm capital? Reciprocal of that, I told you before. So 1,20,000 into 5. It means the total firm capital is 6 lakh. Total firm की capital कितनी आ गई है? 6 lakh. Now what is the capital of A? What is the capital? Capital of old capital. What is the old capital of H plus N? Capital of H plus N plus S. Suppose capital of H partner, capital of N partner, capital of X partner. So H capital is given 1,60,000 plus N capital is given 1 lakh, and the capital of new partner S is given 1,20,000. Is coming. If you add all the terms, is coming 3,80,000. If you add all this, it's coming 3,80,000. Is 3 lakh. So what is the balance left? The total capital of the firm is coming 6 lakh. And when we calculate, the capital is coming 3,80,000. So what is the balance left? The balance will be, if you check, the balance will get 2,20,000 is the firm goodwill. The firm goodwill is 6 lakh minus 3,80,000 is coming 2,20,000 is a firm goodwill. Is a firm goodwill. Now what is the X share in that? 1/5 is given the question. That means what is the share of X in that? Should I rub this? I hope it's clear. Okay, and X share is X share is 1/5. So 2,20,000, 1/5 of 2,20,000 is 44,000. That means X need to bring 44,000 as a share of goodwill. Now this is the concept of hidden goodwill. X को कितना लाना पड़ेगा as a goodwill? 44,000. Ab hum clear? Now what will the entry? You pass the entry. The working is clear. The entry will be, we write the here again dividend credit side. One more, we write LF ledger folio. Here we write date. So date is given the question is the new partner is admitting on 1st 4/18. Now how much is bringing as a cash and capital? So first we write bank account debit to S capital account. Now we write bank account debit to S capital. He is bringing 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay, next X will pay. So we write X current account debit because he is not bringing in cash. We find through the hidden goodwill X current account debit to sacrificing partner. So who is the sacrificing partner? Is again simple case, old ratio is a sacrifice ratio to H capital account to N capital account. Okay, he bringing 44. He need to bring 44,000. He need to pay through his current account. Now divide 44,000 into their sacrifice ratio, which is 3:2, which is 3:2. This is coming 26,400 and 17,600. Now that's how we do. I hope this question is clear. You understand this term? Okay, how we calculate the goodwill. Okay, this is a portion of hidden goodwill. I hope I'm clear. You understand that? How we solve this part? Understand term, because in this term, X share, we find that his share is 2,20,000. The whole firm share is 2,20,000 and X share is 1/5. So 2,20,000 divided by 1/5 is coming 44,000. It means X need to bring 44,000 as share of goodwill. So this thing is clear. How we pass the journal entries? Okay, perfect. Now I'll give you a question for your homework. I'll provide you this solution of this question in my next video. The question is, Anil and Vinay, not Vinay, it's Vinay, are partners. They admitted Chetan as a partner with 1/4 share. So this is an important part. The new partner admitted for 1/4 share. Chetan brings rupees 2 lakh as a share of capital. Okay. Value of the total asset of the firm is 5 lakh rupees, 5,40,000, and outside liabilities are valued 1 lakh. Now outside liabilities given rupees 1 lakh on that date. Okay, you need to pass given necessary entry to record the goodwill at the time of Chetan admission and also show your working notes. Now find out hidden goodwill in that. Find out the hidden goodwill in that. Now I'll give you a hint in that. The goodwill of the firm is coming. Goodwill of the firm. If I solve it orally, because it's mentioned here, the goodwill of firm is coming 1,60,000. Now it's not Chetan's goodwill. It's goodwill of the firm is coming 1,60,000. Now I will provide you a solution in my next video. So we finished treatment of goodwill. Now in my next video we practice some of the question of different cases regarding treatment of goodwill, and then we move on to revaluation account and partners capital account. So I hope treatment of goodwill is clear to you. You understand this topic. Please work hard, practice more and more questions. In case you find any problem, please do write to me. Please take care. Bye.